how to customize the speed of the gimbal when using the sport mode on the DJI Mini 3. So let's power on both of them, the drone and the controller. And this speed, the S, that will be adjusted. So now it's on Cine, that's the slower one. In the center is the normal speed of the entire drone, and that's the gimbal also. And on S, the drone is the fastest, but the gimbal is the fastest. So let's see how to adjust the speed of that one. Now they are connected. If I move my hand in front of the drone, it's seeing it. So come here to the three dots in the upper right corner. Go to control, the second one. Control, and here we have gain and expo tuning. Gain and expo. Here we have the three modes: the cine, the normal, and the sport. Let's copy the settings from the normal. At gimbal 15 degrees per second and tilt smoothness 8. So 15 and 8. So go to the sport mode. Gimbal control speed, tilt 18, and a little bit of smoothness, let's say 6. So 18 and 6 for the sport mode, and a normal 15 and 8. So now the camera on the sport mode should be a little bit slower and smoother. It should not rotate that quickly up and down as it was before. So that was on the gain and expo on the control page. And that's it. Now you can short press, long press on the remote, short press, long press on the drone.